Build a 10-to-1 house yourself. Welcome, everyone, and this is the final part. The problem is choosing the right material for the roof. Tried many ways. Finally, after a period of testing, I chose to cut PVC pipes to make them into brick shapes. I bought the PVC pipe from my brother at the scrap station, bought a total of 20. Big Brother is also very real. I only need to pay $50. If you buy a good quality 4-meter cable, it will cost $16. After the bought PVC pipe is cut into strips, spray a black first. Otherwise, wait until it is cut into tiles before spraying. It's going to take more time. Bought 12 bottles of black net spray paint. It costs $40. I sort of created the tiles. Just prepared the tiles. It took me all day. Tiles ready, we can start building our roof. When doing it, I found that due to material limitations, 1.3 mm is too thick. Ultimately, only 1.2 mm was achieved. But even that's a lot of work. You have a better way, don't you? Leave a comment below. I'll be able to do it faster next time. The pots and bowls are the hardest part because each piece needs to be trimmed separately. It takes a lot of time. Roof. I checked a lot. I originally wanted to restore the effect of superimposing tiles. It didn't work out. I will simply cover it with the PVC model. Close with tiles. And on top, you layer the lines with sticks. I bought 4 wooden sticks. Lost $20. I feel pretty good after finishing it. I hope you will enjoy it too. And finally, I will show you how effective it is at repelling water. Let's decorate the yard first. This issue. Went to the mountains and dug up some nutritious black soil. Only the vegetables grown in this way can live. Flower drums also need the soil to grow flowers. The black soil is finished. I'm going to do the greening of the yard first. And I thought it was appropriate to use moss for greening. You can save money by digging for moss yourself. I used to pass by the parking lot downstairs, just a lot of moss. When digging for moss, I also saw some small green plants growing on them. I don't know the names of these little plants. Dig it back and see if you can do it. If you can live, you can add some life to the yard. The moss shop is late. You have to water them first. Moss needs more watering to maintain better vitality. I had been preparing to plant flowers before I knew this. I forgot to take the flowers I bought online. Call my friend to deliver it for me. I tried to place it first. I feel the flower is a bit too big. I can't think of a better way for a while. I'm thinking of living somewhere else first. I spent $78 on flowers, but they didn't do anything. A little heartache. This little tree is my flower notation from my doorstep. I don't know what breed it is. It felt right when I saw it. I dug it up and planted it. When planting vegetables, I heard others say that garlic is easy to grow, so I bought him 2 garlic bars and planted them. The main thing is a good diet. I also bought a few seedlings. It cost 15 bucks. I sell a small jar here. See if anyone can recognize it. What seedlings did I plant? It's full of vegetables. I can start making my favorite row. In order to make the fish pond good, I went to the river and picked up a lot of stones. In order to route the water to the fish pond, I also went out of my way to buy a set of better tools to make holes in stones. It cost me 389 bucks. I brought this teapot from home. Fill the teapot with water when you punch a hole. It's not easy to break the teapot when playing like this. This stone is really hard. Fortunately, I bought new tools. Otherwise, my previous broken hand drill. It may not be able to wear it. Bought a nebulizer and a small water pump. One makes the fish pond hazy. One makes the water flow. The total is $29. After finishing the device, and there's another layer underneath. Little nephew is done. Continued water. Put in the small fish I caught from the river. Let's see the effect. Thank you for watching.